Measles is caused by underscore 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 underscore
A. Virus. B. Fungus. C. Bacteria. D. Amoeba. Show answer.
Correct answer, a virus.
Notes.
Measles is an infectious disease caused by the rubeola virus. It is transmitted via droplets from the nose, mouth or throat of infected persons. It remains an important cause of death among young children globally, despite the availability of a safe and effective vaccine. Due to the presence of which of the following, there is a difference in animal cell and plant cell. A. Ribosome. B. Cell wall. C. Protoplasm. D. Chloroplast. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Cell wall. Notes. Cell wall is found in plants, bacteria, fungi, algae, and some archaea. Animal cells do not have cell walls, nor do protozoa. They have microfilaments, the thinnest filaments of the cytoskeleton. Cell walls protect plant cells from damage. It also makes the cell strong, keeps its shape, and controls the growing of the cell and plant. 43. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time is known as A. Assimilation. B. Agestion. C. Absorption. D. Ingestion. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Agestion. Notes. Animals that ingest bulk food unavoidably take in some matter that they are incapable of using. Substances that cannot be digested, such as cellulose, pass into the colon, or large intestine. Digestion is the passing out of undigested food as feces, through the anus. 44. The enzymes are basically, blank. A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Lipids. D. Amino acids. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Proteins. Notes. Enzymes are in general globular proteins and range from just 62 amino acid residues in size, for the monomer of 4-oxaloprotonate tautomerase, to over 2,500 residues in the animal fatty acid synthase. The activities of enzymes are determined by their three-dimensional structure that helps them bind to substrate and catalyze their involvement in a reaction. 45. The number of eggs normally released during one menstrual cycle is blank. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Show answer. Correct answer, A. 1. Notes. In each menstrual cycle, rising levels of estrogen cause the ovary to develop an egg and release it, ovulation. After ovulation, the egg lives for 24 hours. When fertilization may happen. 46. During exhalation, the ribs underscore 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 A. Move outwards. B. Move downwards. C. Move upwards. D. Do not move at all. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Move downwards. Notes. Breathing is the process in which air moves in and out of the lungs with the help of various respiratory organs. The process of taking in air rich in oxygen is called inhalation. Similarly, the process of giving out air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation. When we inhale, the ribs move up and outwards while the diaphragm moves down. An exact opposite movement occurs during exhalation when the ribs move down and inwards while the diaphragm moves up. 47. All are protozoan diseases except blank. A. Oriental sores. B. Elephantiasis. C. Sleeping sickness. D. Kala azar. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Elephantiasis. Notes. Lymphatic filariasis, commonly known as elephantiasis, is a painful and profoundly disfiguring disease. It is caused by infection with parasites classified as nematodes, roundworms, of the family Filariodidae that are transmitted through the bites of infected mosquitoes. 48. Potato is A. blank. A. Root. B. Stem. C. Bud. D. Fruit. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Stem. Notes. Potatoes are examples of tubers, the swollen ends of stolons that may store starch. It is a stem because it has many nodes called eyes with spaces between eyes known as internodes. Potato tubers develop at the end of swollen underground stem structures, rhizomes. Eyes of potatoes are really axillary buds which contain several small buds at each site. These buds can expand to form shoots which grow on to make whole plants. 49. Dolly, the first clone living being created at Roslin Institute in Scotland was A. blank. A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Sheep. D. Cow. Show answer. Correct answer, C. Sheep.
Notes.
Dolly was a female domestic sheep and the first mammal cloned from an adult somatic cell, using the process of nuclear transfer.
It was cloned by Keith Campbell, Ian Wilmot and colleagues at the Roslin Institute, part of the University of Edinburgh, Scotland, and the biotechnology company PPL Therapeutics, based near Edinburgh in 1996.
50.
The maximum fixation of solar energy is done by blank. A. Bacteria. B. Protozoa. C. Fungi. D. Green plants. Show answer.
Correct answer,
D. Green plants. Notes. The photosynthetic efficiency is the fraction of light energy converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis in plants and algae. Approximately 2/3 of the net global photosynthetic productivity worldwide is of terrestrial green plant origin. The remainder is produced mainly by phytoplankton microalgae in the oceans. Approximately 114 kilocalories of free energy are stored in plant biomass for every mole of CO2 fixed during photosynthesis.